Welcome back to my channel, SJA Motors. Today, we're going to talk about something that has left the entire world stunned. China's new generation of transport systems. This isn't just another electric car or futuristic bus. This is a complete transformation of how people and goods will move in the future. China has once again shocked the world by launching transport technologies that look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. From flying taxis and driverless buses to high-speed maglev trains and intelligent highways, China is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's dive deep into this revolution and explore how China is shaping the future of transportation like never before. China's progress in transportation isn't new. Over the past decade, it has been the world leader in high-speed rail, electric vehicles, and smart city infrastructure. But in 2025, China has taken a giant leap forward, unveiling its new generation transport ecosystem which integrates AI, automation, clean energy, and digital connectivity into every mode of travel. Let's start with the most talked about innovation, the flying taxi revolution. The flying taxi era Chinese companies like XPeng AeroHT, EHang, and Autoflight have officially launched commercial electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicles. These aircraft can take off vertically like helicopters but fly smoothly like planes, fully electric, silent, and emission-free. The XPeng AeroHT, for example, recently completed successful passenger test flights across major Chinese cities. It can carry 2 passengers, reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers (h), and travel 35 minutes on a single charge. The most shocking part? These aren't just prototypes anymore. They are entering public testing phases with plans to introduce them for urban air taxis, emergency medical transport, and VIP logistics. Cities like Guangzhou, Shanghai, and Shenzhen are preparing to integrate these flying vehicles into their smart transportation systems. Imagine calling a flying taxi through an app and being lifted above traffic within minutes. That's no longer science fiction in China. High-speed maglev trains, faster than planes. China is also leading the race in maglev, magnetic levitation train technology. In 2025, the country unveiled its latest maglev prototype capable of speeds up to 600 kilometers (h), the fastest land vehicle in the world. Using magnetic fields to lift the train above the track eliminates friction, allowing it to glide smoothly and quietly. Routes connecting Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Chengdu, Chongqing are being upgraded to host these ultra-high-speed trains. What used to be multi-hour journeys can now be completed in just over an hour. The new generation maglev trains feature AI-driven safety systems, adaptive aerodynamics, and zero-emission propulsion, powered entirely by renewable energy sources. China is proving that speed and sustainability can go hand in hand. Smart roads and autonomous transport. Next comes something truly futuristic: intelligent highways. China's Ministry of Transport has been building smart roads equipped with 5 grams connectivity, sensors, and AI systems. These roads communicate directly with vehicles to optimize traffic flow, detect hazards, and even charge electric cars wirelessly as they move. Driverless trucks and buses are already running on experimental routes. For instance, Baidu's Apollo Go and Pony.ai have launched autonomous ride-hailing services in multiple cities. These vehicles can identify pedestrians, traffic lights, and even predict road behavior using advanced machine learning. Imagine highways that think, vehicles that drive themselves, and a network that manages everything automatically. That's exactly what China's new generation transport aims to deliver. Green energy revolution in mobility. One of the most impressive aspects of this transformation is its focus on clean energy. China is the world's largest producer of electric vehicles, but now it's going beyond EVs. developing hydrogen-powered trucks, solar trains, and even wind-assisted cargo ships. Companies like BYD, NIO, Geely, and SIC are leading the push for a completely carbon-neutral transport system. The BYD Blade battery, for example, offers ultra-long range, extreme safety, and fast charging capabilities that could power future EV buses and trucks. Meanwhile, China's electric cargo ports in Shanghai and Ningbo are using AI-controlled autonomous cranes and electric ships to minimize pollution. It's a full ecosystem designed for efficiency and sustainability. Hyperloop and underground transit systems. Another shocker in China's transport revolution is the underground vacuum tube train. Similar to Elon Musk's Hyperloop concept, engineers have already built a prototype in Shaanxi province that uses superconducting magnetic systems to achieve speeds beyond 1,000 kilometers in a low-pressure tube. If fully developed, this could reduce travel between Beijing and Shanghai, nearly 1,200 kilometers, to under an hour. At the same time, megacities like Beijing and Chengdu are testing autonomous underground cargo transport systems where small electric pods deliver goods silently through tunnels beneath the city. This futuristic underground network will drastically reduce surface traffic and air pollution, marking another global first for China. Digital integration, AI, big data, and connectivity. What makes China's system truly powerful is integration. Every mode of transport, from trains and drones to taxis and ships, is connected through a unified digital platform. Using AI and big data, the system monitors real-time traffic, weather, and passenger demand, then automatically optimizes routes and schedules. Travelers can plan an entire trip, from doorstep pickup by an autonomous car to a Maglev train ride, to an eVTOL flight, using one single app. This one-click mobility ecosystem is already being piloted in smart cities like Hangzhou and Shenzhen. It's not just transportation, it's a smart ecosystem that learns, adapts, and evolves continuously. Global impact. The world reacts. The global response has been one of shock and admiration. Many countries, including the US, Japan, and Germany, have been working on similar technologies, but China has managed to integrate them faster and at larger scales. Experts say this could redefine global standards for transportation, giving China a major advantage in technology exports and infrastructure development worldwide. Already, Chinese companies are helping build high-speed railways, electric bus systems, and smart traffic networks across Asia, Africa, and Europe. This is not just innovation, it's soft power through mobility, challenges, and future goals. Of course, no transformation comes without challenges. Safety, regulation, airspace management, and cybersecurity are key concerns as these systems expand. However, China is actively creating national AI transport laws, air mobility guidelines, and smart infrastructure policies to handle these issues. The goal is to make fully autonomous, zero-emission, and interconnected transport systems a daily reality by 2035. Conclusion. So what does all this mean for the future? China's new generation transport is not just changing how people move, it's changing how we think about mobility itself. From flying taxis soaring above skyscrapers to maglev trains racing faster than airplanes, from self-driving highways to underground hyperloops. It's a vision of a cleaner, faster, and smarter world. The rest of the world is watching and learning, because this is not just China's leap forward, it's a glimpse of the global future of transport.